Good day. On this particular video, I'm actually taking a look at one of the cryptos we have, the ton, or ton as some persons will call it, which is currently on I think a unit of it costs $13.25. $13.25. And on this particular crypto, we'll find out that it doesn't really have much information. But then it looks promising. It looks really promising, especially the points that the fact that it has really had a massive drop. So now, what can we see? We can clearly see that at this point, this was the first high this particular coin created. So we can clearly see this was the first high this coin created. And then let's clone the levels. Okay, doesn't really have much. So after that level, we have this significant level here. We have this significant level here, and then we have this other level here. So these are the two levels that we have, and in order to go to the smaller time frame to check out what we can clearly see on this particular chart, we would clearly be able to see that on this initial level we have here, we had market break structure at this point. And then if we should plot out our Fibonacci to basically, we would clearly find out that back from this point to this point here, we got market retraced into the 0.618 level. So let me just make it a little bit clear so you guys can see it clear and enjoy the content. So we had market plunging into the 0.618 level and then rallied up, hitting take profit at this point. But based on the fact it's a crypto, you can decide to hold for a really long time invested in this particular crypto. Then so that's helped us see this kind of a structure, and then take profit got hit at this one. And after that, market still reacted to it when it created this new high. When it created a new high, we can see market also did something like tapping into the 0.79 level. Tapping into the 0.79 level and still breaking above this area. And breaking above this area. So that was what happened. So when you look at the reaction of the chart, you would simply say, oh, that move was not really significant, but it's something that would help us get a better view of the market. So it's something that will help us get a better view of this particular market. So now having happened, we can maybe put it on the higher time frame. So on this higher time frame, what can we clearly see on the markets now? Okay. So I think we've had a lot of conditions around this support, and this was the first spike to the upside. So if I'm picking my zones, I'll simply be picking my zone from this lowest point down to this area. Now on this, I can easily look at taking buys from here or allowing market to plunge down to this point before we can take buys into this particular level where price initially has gotten to. So where would I actually wait for market to come before I take? I would love to see market get into this low based on the fact the structure has not changed before I buy this particular crypto, and then my target will be this high. So this is basically my view on the tone cryptocurrency, which is currently at 13. So I actually want it to drop in price to this level, which is 9 thereabouts. Then I can purchase it and hold on to this area. Now this is also a key level to anticipate and purchase this crypto, which is the market has hit our first entry. So we can decide to actually still purchase at this price. But then let me see why I don't feel like purchasing at this price. Let me see. Okay, it's still a good price to purchase actually. Let me delete that. It's actually still a good price to purchase based on the fact that we can desired direction based on these two zones. Market is actually respecting this area, which is the 0 point. Let's take it to the higher time frame, please. So on the higher time frame, we have markets playing around here, but then on the smaller time frame, we have market reacting to this smaller zone to give us confirmations to the upside. So I would only buy when I see a clear confirmation around this area that would tell me to buy. But for now, I will really appreciate if it drops into this area for my buys. So that's my bias on this particular crypto. So what will I say? I would simply say on the Tom coin, just wait for market to plunge a little bit more to the downside, and then we can hold in appreciation to these highs. So that's what we have on this particular coin. We have a wonderful day, guys. Peace. Larry FX Academy.